Hey guys, it's Eric Green from Tax Rep Network. So, why get your CTRC? And if you are a CTRC, how do you make more money with it? All right. Now, if you go and check out the CTRC page, you'll see some of the testimonials from our folks who have it. The key thing here is you elevate yourself. You are now certified in tax representation. All right. That message to potential clients is huge. Huge. And again, you'll see that from some of the quotes that we've gotten back from folks who've been through it. We now have about 600 CTRCs scattered all over the country. So first of all, what is the Certified Tax Representation Consultant? It is a 20-hour, five parts, all right? It's an exam that you do at your own pace. All right, five parts: how to handle an IRS audit, how to handle an IRS collection case, how to do an offer and compromise, resolving innocent spouse issues, and resolving payroll tax issues. Roughly about 4 hours each, five parts. It's 20 hours. And again, you can take it at your own pace on demand. The only thing we ask is you complete it within 1 year. The key thing here is you are going to get to deep dive into each of these areas. The point is that when you're done, you feel more comfortable handling these matters. You can talk the talk, walk the walk, and you are basically can express to potential clients, you have a specialty in this. You have studied this. This is what you do. And the biggest thing, whether you're an existing CTRC who's not really doing much with it, or someone thinking about getting it. The key thing, what I want to drive home, is to use it in your marketing. Okay. I would put that front and center because you can tell people I'm a certified tax representation consultant. I've been through training on this, whether it's an audit, a collection case, offer and compromise, innocent spouse issue, or you have payroll tax problems. No big deal. Was it penalty abatement, something else? We can help you with that too. But you are in the right place. You've got the right person representing you. That is the biggest thing. So if you go and check out what folks have said about it, what was most surprising is not only did they get more representation work, I kind of figured they would, but they actually began getting other tax work, bookkeeping work, kind of forensic cleanup work. And when I went and pressed them, I said, well, that's really interesting. Why? What they said was they're getting clients, especially business clients, coming to them saying, I don't have a tax problem, but if I do have a tax problem, I know you can handle it. It makes them much more attractive as a tax pro. So the benefits of this are not just the knowledge that you get and the comfort level you get handling these matters, but the fact that you can express that and will get other, what I don't want to say ancillary, but other tax work because of it is huge. Okay, so I'll put the link below. Check out the CTRC. If you're not certified, this is the gift you want to give yourself this year. This, you will make your money back, honestly, 20 to 30 times, possibly even just next year. All right, this is the gift that keeps giving. And if you have your CTRC, what are you doing with it? So first of all, comment below. Let me know what is going on. If you're thinking about it, what are you concerned about? Please comment. I do read them. I will respond, okay? And more importantly, we need more people, especially with the chaos of the government now, we need more people helping taxpayers. There are 26 million of them that need help. So there's plenty of work. I urge you to roll up your sleeves, really learn to master this area, and add it to your practice. All right. Thanks. Check it out. Comment below, and let's get certified.